In this video I am going to show you how to create this online glow effect in Canva in 4 minutes. This is a step-by-step tutorial and no need for any complicated software, so let's get into the video. So first open your browser and go to Canva official website. And use Chrome because Canva works really well on it. Then when you are at the home page of Canva, come to the search bar right here. Then I am going to search for some thumbnails templates. Then I am going to go through and find one of the images that doesn't have a glow effect to use for this tutorial, but you can upload your own image if you want. So I am going to use this thumbnail, so I will select it, then click on Customize the template. Now our thumbnail will be added onto a new page for you to make all the editing you want. And if you want to use your own image, you can just upload it, and you are good to go. First I am going to delete this red effect in the background so we can work on our character. The first thing to do is create a duplicate of the character we want to use, so just click on it to select it. Then click on this icon here, which is the duplicate icon, to duplicate your footage. Now let's move the duplicated clip to the side, then work on the main footage. Now come and click on Edit right here on the toolbar. Then scroll down till you find U-Tone, and this is the tool we will be using, so click on it. Now as you can see, you will find a lot of U-Tones here for you to use as the glow effect color. So depending on the color you want to use, select one of them. So I am going to scroll down and select this U-Tone, which is the amber. Then I will scroll down and change the red to yellow also, to make my glow effect the same consistent color. So I will click on the red color, then the color palette will open, then I will change it to amber or yellow, but you can use any color you want, or even go with the default colors. So after selecting the color, what you need to do is to go back to the previous menu, so click on the back icon right here. Then just beside the U-Tone effect, select the blur effect. So this page will open and we will have to blur the whole image, so click on the whole image tab right here. Then use the slider to blur the image, and you can set it at where you want the blur strength to be, but I recommend you keep it at 95 to 100. So now that our glow has been created, close the blur window to move to the main page. Now what you need to do is to move the character we placed at this side and top of the glow effect we created. And as you can see, our glow outline has been created. So you can play around with it until you get them aligned just the way you want. And this is how you can create glow outline effects in Canva. So if you find this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel and also give this video a like so that it will be pushed to more audience, and also let me know your feedback about this tutorial in the comment section. So now you can click on the share button here, then click on download to download it to your desktop. See you in the next tutorial.